Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamakti and today I'm gonna share this red hair mask I made and it has worked for me. So I thought of sharing this with you and let's start. It is really simple to make this mask. We just need hibiscus powder. Use any good organic hibiscus powder from a good brand, or you can make hibiscus powder at home by drying this hibiscus petals. Then you can grind it and you have it, hibiscus powder. So then you need yogurt, full fat yogurt. I make yogurt at home, so it's homemade, it's good. That's it, just 2 ingredients and you're all set to go. Just make a paste with good consistency, not too thick, not too thin, and it looks so good. I love the color. It has this red color, or I would say burgundy color. Then what I did, I let it sit for 30 minutes. Then I applied all over my hair and scalp and I let it be there for 1 hour. Then I washed it off with a shampoo and conditioner. The thing is, it has been working well for me. I have tried this twice already and my hair feels good and it feels smooth, silky. That's all. There are many claims that this mask is gonna reduce your hair fall. I'm not sure about that. My hair fall, I don't have much hair fall, and that Gine Chune hair fall I have is there. I even read that it can do this, like regrow hair. I'm not sure about this either, but what this mask does, my hair feels really good, smooth, silky, manageable. My scalp feels good. It is actually kind of oily, my scalp. I don't have dandruff, but after using this mask my scalp feels healthy, less oily, I mean perfect oily I would say. And hibiscus, it has flavonoids which is an antioxidant, can be really good. Even green tea, matcha green tea, it has flavonoids, but it has many hibiscus powder, I mean hibiscus, chemical composition of hibiscus. It has many other chemical components as well. So the thing with DIY, since it is not a oil formulated product, so it doesn't have penetration enhancers. What penetration enhancers they do, they help the other good ingredients to penetrate deeper inside our skin. And for hair products, it just helps with hair absorption and scalp absorption. So I don't think a DIY can take the place of a well formulated product any day, because a cosmetic formulator, he or she has been through a lot of studies and researches, survey, then trials and errors, then they make this good product. But this DIY worked for my hair and scalp, so I thought about sharing this. But if you're allergic to any of these ingredients, then don't use this, because skincare, DIY, anything, any skincare products can be really subjective. Don't expect any miracle. No skincare product can be a miracle. You need consistent application to see this consistent and good result. This is rather, why I'm saying skincare, hair care, skin and hair care both. So you need to do this not every day, like consistently as the product demands, and you're gonna be good. And for this hair mask, I love it. I'm gonna apply this frequently, but not during the winter because I catch cold with any Uptons. Like this Upton based hair mask during winter, big no for me. During summers it's gonna be a very good thing. And I use this powder, hibiscus powder from Malion Naturals, something like that. But you can take any good brand who makes good organic hibiscus powder and you are good to go. And you can make it at home, like I told you. Why do I repeat myself again and again? And I'm gonna use this, and I would love to hear your experience about this. And that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.